What in tarnations is going on with the newer Jeep Wranglers? This is ridiculous. Trying to replace a starter, have all three bolts out. This thing is loosey-goosey, this starter. But guess what? It's getting stuck on the frame as well as part of the engine block. It won't come out. How are you supposed to get that down? I don't want to grind part of the frame down. This is ridiculous. You pull it out. Oh, sorry, it's getting stuck on. Now it's getting stuck on the engine block. Oh, look at that. Engine block stopped. Oh, but it's also stuck on the freaking frame. What the heck? How am I supposed to get this starter out to replace it? Forget you, Jeep.